Namaskar friends, welcome to eSpirit Word channel. Love might actually be the single most important thing in the lives of these 6 star signs in particular. When you get into a relationship with someone, it's only natural that you would want to be considered as a very important facet of your partner's life. You always want to be confident in the fact that they think about you often and that they would have no problems prioritizing you. You always want to be in a relationship with someone who is actually willing to exert all of the necessary efforts into making the relationship work. You want to be with a person who would be willing to really commit to being with you. Someone who would do whatever they can to build on the love and intimacy that you share in the relationship. Heaven knows that relationships are not easy. They are always going to be full of lots of issues, problems, challenges, and setbacks. But the healthiest and the strongest couple are always the one who can find a way to withstand the many storms that their love might have to face. The strongest couples are the ones who are able to show one another that they will do whatever it takes to make the love last. So without much further ado, here are 6 zodiac signs that are actually the most addicted to love. Aries. At the start, you become interested in so many different kinds of people. But once you actually find that one person you get hooked on, then that's when the realness starts to set in. When you fall in love, there is no shortage of passion and dedication. As an Aries, you tend to really focus on the person that you end up falling in love with. Cancer. Love is actually quite important to you as a Cancer. It's so important to you to the point that it particularly influences everything that you do in life. You are a deeply loving and caring person. You always want to be taking care of those who are nearest and dearest to you. You always want to be manifesting your love in the form of actions that can be felt. Leo. It's not just about self-love when it comes to you. A lot of people will judge you to be too self-obsessed and conceited as a Leo. But the truth is that whenever you fall in love, you do so wholeheartedly. You are just as intense as you are passionate. And when you fall in love, you really don't hold back. You like to wear your emotion on your sleeve. You are not one to hide how you feel. Libra. As a Libra, you are always known to make a love a priority in your life. You are always going to want to nurture your intimate relationships. You always want to be building on the bonds and connections that you establish with other people. And you always try your best to keep the needs and interests of your partners in mind. It's part of your selfless nature. Scorpio. You are not typically known to open up much about your feelings and your life. As a Scorpio, you always try to maintain an air of mystery and secrecy with the way that you live life. However, whenever you fall in love, you really fall hard. You have a reputation for having a love that has no bounds. You love so intensely and ever so passionately. You are especially skilled in physical manifestations of affection. Pisces. It's not just that you put love on the top of your list of priorities, but you actually make it the center of your entire existence. you find yourself constantly daydreaming and fantasizing about the perfect love affair. You are always thinking about what it's going to be like when you finally meet that one person who you know you can fall in love with for real. So friends, hope you like this information. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Till next video, goodbye.